Hello, we are now at the Courtyard by Marriott.
So we're out here in the parking lot.
We're finding that the walkways are uncluttered and unobstructed.
We've got our handicap parking space.
And our paved areas are free of cracks or uneven surfaces.
So very good.
Required warning caution signs are in place, and we'll film that separately as well. Landscape void of hiding areas, so that there would be no area in which anyone could hide. This is a walkway back here though, however, so we might recommend that. However, that is access to a to one of the fire doors. Lobby of the Courtyard by Marriott in the Houston Medical Center.
That's right.
We have observed that the floor and the carpet is in good condition, and that the lighting level is adequate.
There are no stairs, so I think they're in good condition.
There are no stairs, and so there's no handrails installed because there are no stairs. So that's going to be an NA. We have observed the driver's records on file in the general manager's office, but did not film them for the privacy of the employees.
So we're in the restaurant area right now. We've got a good floor covering. Good repair. Got good lights, so everybody can see things.
Our seating is inspected on a weekly basis, which is actually why this table is missing a chair, because it's being repaired. And same thing with our tables, they're also inspected weekly.
Signage. We've got exit signs over there.
We have appropriate exit signage located around the area. We do not have a room capacity posted because it is not an enclosed restaurant. So it's part of the lobby, and so it is not required of us. Evacuation plan is not posted. Again, same thing as is technically part of the lobby. And then we have our tables and then wiring on public space equipment. I don't have any public space equipment over here. And that concludes our restaurant.
So we're in the elevators, and obviously the elevator operational is going up right now.
Yeah.
And the lights is also operational.
Lights are working in the elevator.
And then do you want to take a shot of the braille here?
Sure, let's check out the braille. We've got some braille.
And then the telephone is actually a button right here
Oh, yeah, we got the telephone. Hold on.
that is operational as well.
Where's this? Operational telephone.
Yes, excellent.
Okay.
And that the signage improves on.
The signage is available in the general manager's office, but we have it. Good job.
So this area right here that we're looking at is the smoke control panel. So this is going to notify us if there's a smoke alarm that goes off in any part of the building, and it will illuminate in what part of the building it's on. And what you can't see, because there is no alarm, is it would actually highlight the room that it's in.
Really?
Cool.
Right behind us over here is our fire suppression system. So should a fire alarm go off, it would actually tell us which room it was in and what the emergency was. It would tell us exactly where it was located. There is a duplicate of this located immediately next to the front desk, so that the front desk could be aware of it as well without having to come this length of the building to take a look at it. And then with the policies and procedures we have in place, our engineers can shut it off so it no longer makes a noise if they deem there is no fire emergency, but they cannot completely shut off an alarm until the fire department comes and does so. The fire alarm system is tested regularly, as is the sprinkler system, and all of our fire extinguisher tests. We have checked our current as well as our smoke alarms, and our actually the local fire department was out here about 3 weeks ago. They did our last inspection.
Very cool.
Hi, and we're in the laundry now.
Tyler.
This is the laundry room. We got our material safety data sheet right here for all the chemicals.
And there are all the chemicals over there. They are properly labeled and stored.
Yeah. Our chemicals down there.
The dryer
vent over there.
The dryer vents are located on the roof of the hotel, and the documentation is in the housekeeping manager and engineering manager's office. Start with the MSPS suite, which is located here by the back door, next to the first aid station. In this area right here, these are our hood vents. And as you can see, these areas here are our fire suppression system, that ANSEL system inspection. And the inspection for these is also posted behind the front desk in the general manager's office. Let's go ahead and film the tiles.
We got non-slippery surfaces.
So this is our tiles that have to be in good repair.
I would say they're in good repair.
This is our main food storage area. This is our walk-in storage, our walk-in cooler. Our food practices that are in place are labeling all of our items on the date that they're made and labeling any boxes on the day that they come in. The one exception is going to be the dairy. When it comes in, it's labeled on the date it expires. Are stored in the dish pit area away from the food. So we have separate we have cleaning chemicals for the dish machine and separate chemicals for the 3-compartment sink. Okay. This is our fire extinguisher. We have multiple fire extinguishers in the kitchen. This particular one is if a fire were to start over on any of the kitchen equipment.
Occupied right now.
That there is no banquet kitchen. The kitchen for the bistro suffices for both, and there is no evaluation procedure for that. There is appropriate signage and lighting is installed. We were able to inspect the rooms, however, we were not able to film any of the meetings going on in it right now. Hi, welcome to our pool area. As you observe, we have a self-closing door. We do have non-slip floor with no cracks.
Yep.
And there are depth reminders. There is signage to indicate no diving, not to leave the children unattended, and that there is no lifeguard on duty. A hot tub thermometer is in place in the hot tub itself, and there is a warning sign not to get in the hot tub if it exceeds a certain temperature. Lights are installed on a sensor. Do you see it? And our life-saving equipment is over here in front of the Zen Garden. We're in the mechanical room of the hotel. This area right here is our fire pump controller. Our lights are installed and operational. And as you look around the room, you can see the various shutoffs we have for the control valve is right behind us for the gas. No, the pool pump separate. That's actually the pump for the laundry and the kitchen. And then we have separate water shutoffs for the different water areas, as well as hot water temperatures that are logged on a daily basis. Power shutoffs are identified and labeled, and there are additional shutoff points throughout the building. And then these are additional shutoff valves. that are located on every floor that shuts off the water solely to that floor. And what this is that there's the big one there, that's for the fire suppression system. So should the fire suppression system be incorrectly shut off, that valve would be the one you have to cut and turn off to stop the water from flowing.
Okay, so we just finished our inspection of the Courtyard Marriott. Everything was good. We're going to have a report poured out here shortly. Thank you.